Hi dears, welcome to math class. Now our title is probability. Probability. Theory of probability. Theory of probability is theory of the probability is the branch of mathematics describing of how likely an event occur. Or how likely is true. And we use for predicting events. Theory of probability is the branch of mathematics describing of how likely an event occur or how likely it's true, and we use for predicting events. The probability of a wide range, and we just discussed some introduction or some briefing on the probability. It means that you know that in our everyday and daily programs, the probability of passing an exam by a student. how many percent is possible to pass the exam. The probability of raining in a sunny day, or there is a lot of examples of probability. Now I describe for you in some examples. Like example, there is an election. In an election, there are four candidates. In an election, there are four candidates. Candidates A, B, C, D. The name of candidates are A, B, C, D. In most of the elections, before the election, like some of the organizations do survey that how many percent is the probability of winning the election by A or B or by C. So what they do, they do a survey. They do a survey from some people. Like in that election, they make survey from 100 people, and by this survey they find out how many is the probability of, or how likely is the probability of each of the candidates. The result of the survey is they vote for A 2 vote, 20 vote. For A, the result is 20 vote. For the candidate B, the result is 10 vote. And for candidate C, the result is 40 vote. And for candidate D, the result is 30 vote. For probability, we have a formula, like the probability of event, the probability, we write instead of probability P of an event, or P of A, we write number of satisfactory or right satisfactory outcome over total numbers of outcome. Now here, the total number of outcome is 100. 20, 30, 70, 100. The total of number of outcome is 100. What we do for probability for A is equal to 20 over 100, or is equal to 2 over 10. 2 over 10 we can reduces. 2 over 10 become 1 over 5. From each 5 there is a possibility of 1, or this is 20%. 20%. For probability for the B is equal to 10 over 100, that is equal to 1 over 10, or is equal to 10%. Probability of C is equal to 40 over 100, or is equal to 2 over 5. 2 over 5, or is equal to 40%. And probability of D is equal to 30 over 100, or 3 over 10, is equal to 30%. Now, how about the chance? For A is unlikely. For A, the chance is unlikely. For B is less likely. Less likely. Sorry. For B is unlikely because this is small. Unlikely. For A is less likely. For this one is most likely. For number C, most likely. Most likely. And for this one is likely. 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 If the survey given the 0 vote for these people, if there was a 0 vote, if there was a 0 vote or no vote, 0 vote, if there was a 0 vote, so this was what? Impossible. Impossible. If there was like 100 vote, or all the people given 100 vote for one person, this was certainly. But for 0 vote is impossible, and for 100 vote was certainly. But now for 40 vote is most likely, for 30 vote likely, for 20 vote less likely, and for 10 vote unlikely. There is a Brazilian store. In a Brazilian store, we check 200. Another example. In a Brazilian store, store, we check 200 cases of salience. From these 200 cases, 5 of them are broken. 5 of them has broken. So if someone pick up one case randomly, if someone pick up some cases randomly, what is the percentage of probability of they broken? Like now, probability of broken is equal to from 200, 5. From 200, 5 over 200. That's equal to 155, 4520, 1 over 40, or is equal to 1 over 40 is 2.5%. It means that there is a possibility of, if randomly someone take from 200 cases, one case, there is 2.5% probability of broken. And how many percent of not broken? 100? 100 minus 2.5, that is equal to 97.5. 97.5% of non-broken. Like, it means that there is near to uncertainly, but too much most likely not broken, and less likely or unlikely to be broken. Another example. In a city, in one of the months of the winter, for example, in the month of January, we take a survey. The average of the snow is 7 days. The average of snow is 7 days. 7 days per month. The average snow. Average snow falling is average snow falling is 7 days per month. In one of the days, for example, 5th of the January, how many percent is the probability of raining? We know that 1 month is 30 days. So what we do, probability of snow in a random day, like 5th of a month or 7th of a month, any day of the month, is 7 over 30. Because 1 month is 30 days, 7 over 30, that is equal to, we divide 7 by 30, is 23.3%. And that month, and that certain day, there is 23.3% of probability of raining. I think this much example is enough for probability. Just I give you an idea about the probability. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos with your friends and families, and press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a good day and night. Bye bye.